Morning guys, afternoon, whatever it is. Don't forget, if you like this video, please subscribe with my new subscribe logo there. Well, the floor is now up. You want to have a look at it? The floor is now up. So I've cut away all of the old floor. And I've had to upgrade and use the blue hammer, because the pink hammer just wasn't cutting it. So I've had to use, I think it was David. Thank you very much, David, who sent me the blue hammer last year. So we are using the blue hammer now. So I did use the blue hammer to take all the nails out, but the trusty pink hammer is still there, and my crowbar. So what I've basically done is cut out the offending parts of it, which is basically there, using Pete's tool. So I'm going to take that back home to him now. So there's Pete's tool. There you go. Thank you for letting me a tool, Pete. That's not your boy Leroy. I'll take that back now. See, I could have gone out and bought one, but I thought, what's the point? Pete's got one. I'll probably never use one again after this. So I might as well just go borrow it off Pete. And Pete likes all these tools and spanners and stuff like that. So there it is, viewers. The floor is now up. And so this is part 2 of the saga of the bingo floor. And apparently any 50p's that are found are mine. So I saw a few messages, people saying they've dropped 50p's. Any 50p's are mine. That's my wages for doing the floor. So tomorrow I will be starting to put the floor down. So that'll be part 3. We may even get 4 parts out of this, because I'm still going to put the carpet down afterwards. So part 1 would be basically introducing it to you. Here's a floor, it's got holes in it. Part 2 is the floor has now gone, and it's got one really big hole in it. Part 3 is going to be, here's the floor, which is no longer got a hole in it. And the final part will be, here's the floor with carpet on it. Don't forget, if you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, get me subscribe thing here. Up, turn it round. There we go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you later, guys. Bye for now.